Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà mi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to discuss how to use St. Michael perfume, cloves and salt. You understand? For a general attraction and to recover your stolen glory, you understand, and to overcome your enemies. If you watch one of my live I uploaded yesterday when I was talking about cloves and the salt to reclaim your luck, you understand, this one it also serve to reclaim your luck, you understand. There are many ways this thing works. I think you understand. So I cannot explain all the benefits of this until you follow the step and you use it. Are you with me? You see all these three materials, that is what you need. No any other alternative. The first one is St. Michael perfume, because someone asked me yesterday when I was online video that how can one use cloves and salt, you understand, for attraction, for love, and so on. Are you with me? So today I want to explain how you can use these three materials and it works perfectly. Believe me, it works perfectly. I think you understand. So what you are going to do is that you need 75 cl. I love this measurement. You understand? I love this measurement. 75 cl of plastic rubber. I think you understand. So if you want to use this, because you are going to add all this thing in the water, you need, let me say 70 cl of water. You understand? So you are not going to fill up this plastic rubber with water. But before you fill the water in this plastic rubber, please follow this instruction. It's very, very good. Do not mix this thing anyhow. You need to mix it according to how I explain. So like this one now, this is my home. I want to use it. I want to do it. You understand? So this is the first thing you are going to put in this plastic rubber. The first thing you are going to put, this is St. Michael. St. Michael, put it in this. You can put like 2 spoons or 3 spoons of this St. Michael perfume. 1 spoon or 2 spoons. You understand? This is my own. I want to use it. It's not for anybody, it's for me. So the next thing you are going to add to here add cloves. Add cloves. Kanafuru in Yoruba language. Add cloves. I don't want to waste my cloves. Add cloves. This one is okay. A pinch of cloves is okay. So the next thing, you are going to add a pinch of salt. When I say a pinch, you are not going to use 1 spoon or 2 spoons. So you need a pinch of salt. So let me use a pinch of salt. Have you seen it? A pinch of salt. Add it to it. So the next thing you are going to add. Is water. Add water to it. Add water. So this one is okay. Add it. Are you with me? You shake it very well. Shake it very well. So if you want to bait, so how are you going to use this water? If you want to use this water, you can use it in the night or in the morning. You add this water to your bait water and use it to wash every part of your body with any soap of your choice. You understand? Use it to wash every part of your body with any soap of your choice. You can bathe it in the morning, you can bathe it in the night. I think you understand. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me good testimony. You can bathe it any time, any day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, any day you like, you can bathe it. You understand? So it's very simple and very, very effective only if you follow the simple instruction. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, you to like this video. And if you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè Táyémọ̀síwé ń jẹ́. Ẹ rí èyí tí a bára sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo iyọ̀ ìsebẹ̀ àti kànáfùrù pẹ̀lú perfume tó ń pè ní St. Michael perfume láti fi gba ire wa padà. Ire tó bá ti bọ́ mọ́yàn lọ́wọ́ tó máa sọ pé opportunity come but once, irọ́ ni o. Kò sígbà tí opportunity ò lè wá o. Ẹ má sọ ìrètí nù. Kò sígbà tí opportunity ò lè wá. Tó bá miss opportunity kan, o lè rí èyí tó tún dáa jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ tọ́nà ó ṣe fún ẹ. So nǹkan tá fẹ́ wá ní ike bíi 75 cl. Omi tá fẹ́ lò náà gbọ́dọ̀ pọ̀ jù báyìí lọ tàbí kó fẹ́ kún díẹ̀, ẹ má jẹ́ kó kún tán. So the first thing tá kó máa dà sínú ike yìí ó ní St. Mike perfume yìí. Perfume yà á dà sínú ẹ̀ bí síbí méjì tàbí síbí mẹ́ta á dà sí. Tá bá ti wá dà sí, ẹ wá jẹ́ ká dà cloves kànáfùrù yìí díẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sí. Kànáfùrù yìí díẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sí. Tá bá ti dà sí, iyọ̀ síbẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú díẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀ ká dà sí. Ẹsẹ̀ jẹ́ ká wá bu omi ká bu sí. Ká bu sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká shake pọ̀. Ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́ni yẹn o, a lè lóúnjọ́ yẹn ká máa fi wẹ̀. Kì í ṣe pé á di wẹ̀wẹ̀ o, kì í ṣe múmu o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sínú omi tó bá tó wá wẹ̀ ká fi sanra tàbí ká fi ọṣẹ wẹ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. A lè fọṣẹ wẹ̀, a lè fi sanra. A lè wẹ̀ lálẹ́, a lè wẹ̀ ní àárọ̀. A lè wẹ̀ Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Kò sígbà tá a lè wẹ̀. Gbogbo bá ṣe ń jẹ́ tọ́lọ́run, gbogbo oore tó bá ti jẹ́ tiẹ̀ kò ní fọ́ ẹ̀rù. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Oore tèmi náà ní fún mi ru lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi lọ́mọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè Táyémọ̀síwé ń jẹ́. Ẹni tó bá dìgbà mi, á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílẹ̀ kò fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí nǹkan mi tàṣà àtẹ̀yí tàṣà torí pé ìtì àti ìṣe pọ̀ ju ìtì àti ìṣe lọ. Tó ó dàbọ̀.
Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ewé ajẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìgbọ́ ewé ń jẹ́ la ilaha illallah alawalu alakiru asọhiru abatinu Ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde yé alárágbá yìí dániyàn ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú